Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make miso soup with paste. First, let's prepare our dashi, the essential foundation for any great miso soup. Combine 4 cups of water with a 4-inch piece of kombu and a half cup of bonito flakes. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then remove the kombu before the water boils. After simmering for a few more minutes, strain out the bonito flakes. This simple step ensures a clear, flavorful broth that truly elevates your soup. Now that our dashi is ready, it's time to add the other ingredients. Start with items that need more cooking time, such as firm tofu cut into half-inch cubes or sliced shiitake mushrooms. Bring the dashi back to a gentle simmer and add these ingredients. Let them cook for about 5 minutes or until they are tender. This ensures everything is perfectly cooked without becoming mushy, maintaining a delightful texture in every spoonful. The most crucial step for authentic miso soup is properly incorporating the miso paste. Take about 2 tablespoons of your preferred miso paste and place it in a small bowl. Ladle in a small amount of the warm dashi from your pot and whisk it until the miso is fully dissolved and smooth. This prevents clumps and ensures even distribution. Once dissolved, gently stir the miso mixture into the main pot, making sure not to boil it. With the miso paste perfectly blended, your delicious homemade miso soup is almost ready. Give it a final gentle stir, ensuring all the flavors are well combined. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish with some freshly chopped green onions and perhaps a sprinkle of shichimi togarashi for a little kick. Serve it immediately to enjoy the freshest taste and aroma. And hey, while you're enjoying your soup, don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.